Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's manicure is a collaboration with Moni Nailcoquetas, and this is the manicure she prepared. Check the description box below for a direct link to her video. Thank you, Moni, for inviting me to participate in this fun collab. Let's get started. As a base, I'm wearing the Sparitual polish called Wild Natured. And for the gold accent nail, I use this Maniology stamping polish called Heart of Gold. I'll be using the Maniology stamping plate, which used to be Bundle Monster BMS250. This is what it looks like on the back. Using the gold stamping polish, I'll pick up the same image and stamp it on 4 nails. For the gold nail, I'll use this black stamping polish from Maniology called Straight Up Black. That looks amazing. I do a little bit of cleanup using a piece of tape. I'll be using my Sally Hansen matte top coat on the red nails. After the matte top coat dries, this is the way it looks, and I really love the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thank you once again to Moni for inviting me to participate in this fun collaboration. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!